Interested in revolutionizing your home viewing experience? Let me guide you through adding an IPTV playlist. Before we begin, you'll need an active IPTV subscription and your IPTV provider's playlist URL. The initial step involves launching your IPTV-compatible media player on your device. Simple enough, right? Next, locate the option to add a new playlist. On most players, it's under Playlists or Settings. Now, you'll need to input the URL of your IPTV playlist. This is the link from your provider. Type the URL carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes. Confirm your entry and proceed. Your media player will now load the playlist. The process may take a few moments. Patience is key. Once the playlist loads, explore the channel list. You should see a variety of channels available. Try switching between a few channels to confirm everything is working correctly. Encounter any issues? Don't panic. If channels aren't loading, recheck the URL entry. It's crucial for seamless streaming. Experiencing no sound or image issues? Inspect your device's connectivity and audio settings. With everything set up, enjoy your diverse viewing options from global channels now neatly on hand. To enhance your experience, explore additional playlists and features provided by your IPTV service. Don't forget to explore the best IPTV offerings like 2tv.store for superior service and channel access. Before we wrap up, ensure to keep your IPTV application and subscription info regularly updated. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips and elevate your home entertainment game.